Hello friends and welcome to the channel. So today we're gonna be doing an overview and review along with few sound samples of the Bose Soundlink Flex Bluetooth portable speaker. Now just to give an overview of this, this is a limited edition Carmine red color Bose Soundlink Flex, a Bluetooth portable speaker. This is the packaging in which it comes in, and there's a seal which is over here, and you need to break that seal to get to the speaker. Now it's a very standard box, not much details on it. Just on the back of it, there's information that is written, which is written in different languages. So it states clear, deep, powerful sound. It has position IQ. Position IQ detects orientation and optimizes sound. So what it does is that if you have placed the speaker horizontally, if you have hang the speaker vertically, and if you have put the speaker like this, then the DSP in that speaker, which is digital signal processing, will optimize the EQ of the speaker and will put out the best possible sound from the speaker depending on the position of the speaker. So this is what position IQ means. Then it is waterproof and dustproof IP67. It can withstand drops, crushing, shocks, and rust. This can also be used as a speakerphone, and then it also syncs with other Bose speakers. And talking about battery life, it is up to 12 hours per charge. So this is about the details which are mentioned on the back of the box over here in different languages. As soon as you open the box, it opens up like this. As soon as you open the box, you have the speaker itself, you have the support, you have the Soundlink Flex start here, which gives you the instruction on how to use the speaker. It's very simple and straightforward. Then you also have the warranty guidelines of global.bose.com. So this is, and you also get a charging cable which is type C to type A charging cable. So this, and along with the speaker. So this is this is all it's there in the box. Let's keep the box aside for a moment and let's bring the speaker itself. So this speaker comes in this plastic packaging over here, which you can keep it aside, and then you have the speaker itself. If I talk about the weight of the speaker, this is a very hefty speaker, not a very hefty speaker, but relatively hefty speaker, which in my point of view, it's a very good thing, because it just shows that there is a good amount of hardware in this speaker rather than just having a good software capabilities. So this has a very good hardware implementation, and we'll come to the drivers incorporated in it in the later part of the video. But this is what the speaker weighs a little bit. And talking about the construction and in-hand feel, since it is a waterproof and dustproof speaker, as I mentioned, it is IP67. So the back of the speaker is actually silicon. This whole portion is silicon. This is actually a speaker grill vent. This is a Type C charging port, and this is the loop through which you can hang it. You can carry it around, and these are the functions that you have. You have power, you have minus, multifunction button, then you have the plus, and then you have the Bluetooth. It can pair two devices at once, and I'm going to show you in just a while how it does that. And talking about the front of the speaker, this is actually a powdered coated metal grill, which the Bose says. So this is actually metal. This is a powdered coated metal grill, and on the back, this complete is silicon. So this is the construction of the Bose speaker, which is a very robust construction. Apart from being waterproof and dustproof, this is a very durable speaker. Now, let's talk about the driver configuration, which is the hardware of the system, of the speaker. So this, I don't know whether you can see it over here. This actually has over here, you have one full range driver, you have one passive radiator over here, and then you have another passive radiator over here. So when you play the sound, a good amount of air is being pushed through this vent. A good amount of air. You can literally hear the the surface on which it is placed, you can literally hear the surface vibrating. So this is you can say this is one a full range driver. This is one passive radiator, another passive radiator, and combined with the digital signal processing in place along with position IQ. So this is actually the whole combination of the system in place in this speaker. And coming to the output of this speaker, now Bose in general, as you know, they don't disclose their product specifications. Whether you take their entry level Bluetooth portable speakers, or whether you take their home theater systems or anything, they don't disclose the specification, how much RMS, impedance, wattage, nothing. But based on my research, I've been able to get that this is a 12-watt speaker. Now, don't just go by the numbers that it is just a 12 watts. 12 watts is actually how it is implemented. It actually produces a difference. So if you see another 12-watt speaker and you say that this is also 12 watt, if we compare these two, the Bose will sound you much, much better because of the way it has been implemented. So that's the specification of the speaker. Now let's talk about the connectivity and the sound. So the connectivity options and the format supported. This has multipair. So as soon as I'll turn it on, you'll see it will say that it has been connected to so and so devices and with this much battery percentage. Along with that, this supports AAC and SBC. So no aptX HD, nothing like that, but still it sounds really, really good. So let me just keep the laptop aside and show you how it basically is. So this is the flat layout surface. This, according to me, this sounds best when it is in this position. You can also place it like this, and you can also place it like this, like hanging in from the loop or something. Now depending upon the position of the speaker, whether it is this or this, it will the position IQ which is inbuilt in here will optimize the sound according to that. So in reality it doesn't affect the sound signature much, but yes, it is always there as a feature. And coming to the sound signature, before we move into the sound sample, this has a very smooth vocals when it plays out the songs, accord and a relatively good amount of punchy bass from this small speaker. So it has depth to its bass. I have also played it outdoors in some on my roof and some outdoor parks and something like that. Now this has a very good amount of bass coming from the full two passive radiators and full range driver. And mark my words, you will hear it through this video, but if you get the chance to audition it in one of the stores, then you will see what I'm talking about. So without further, let's turn on the speaker and you will see how it gets connected to both the devices. For reference, I'm just using this DAP, which is a digital audio player of FIO M11 Plus limited edition. This has 2 AKM DACs, which is now being obsolete. So this Bluetooth speaker is right now connected to my phone as well as to this DAP. And let me just turn on the speaker.
Battery 70%. You can charm and video M11 Plus LTV.
Exactly. So as you just heard, it states that it's connected to Ekant Sharma, which is my name, with the Bluetooth name of my phone. And it also connected to my DAP, which is the digital audio player FIO 11 Plus Limited, along with battery status. So it also tells you how much battery percentage has left. Now let's move towards the sound sample. Now the volume limitation of my DAB is 120. I'm just gonna play it at 60, which is half the volume. This, from the speaker's point of view, this is up to the max. So you'll get an idea of the sound signature of the speaker. So let's go with a non-copyright music sample, and I'm going with the song Superhero.
Like you, be strong to hold the power
So this was NCS Superhero, the speaker being placed in a light down position. Let's move the speaker like this. And now let's play another NCS song. I hope you'll see the difference being put into the sound by the position IQ technology of the speaker. Right, friends. So this is the sound sample of this Bose Soundlink Flex speaker system. Now coming to its price in India, so this is, since it's a limited edition color, this is Carmine red color. This retailed at around, I bought it for my own money for around 15, I think 16, 15 to 16,000 rupees. Whereas its regular colors during the discount of Diwali and Amazon Prime Day offers, it's somewhere retails around 12 to 13, 14,000 rupees. So this gets available at the discounted price during those time of the year. Otherwise, this, since this is a limited edition color, Bose sells it at a retail price, and otherwise they'll just discontinue the color. I'm sorry. So this is a limited edition caramel red color, and with respect to its competition, I have heard JBL's also with respect to this speaker, but the way this has been implemented, you will get maybe you'll get some little bit of bass from JBL or from any other speaker. But if I talk about overall sound quality, the tonal quality, the vocals, the quality of vocals, the depth and the quality of bass, then in my point of view, this is one of the best Bluetooth portable speakers that you can purchase in India, which according to me is also at a relatively good price. If you think about, Bose generally have very high prices for their speakers relative to its competition, and bass and like speakers like Bose Soundlink Micro, which is a small speaker, the amount of sound it produces, it's not very very apt according to the price that it asks for. But here, depending on the features and the functionality and the sound signature that it offers, this is actually value for money. If you can get it around 12 to 14,000, you don't care about the limited edition color, then you can very well buy this particular speaker, and you will be very well satisfied with it. And one last thing I want to mention here is, I don't know about other people, but touch wood, and every single speaker that I have bought of Bose, whether it's this speaker, I also have SoundTouch 30, and I also have Bose earbuds, the Quiet Comfort earbuds. They last long. They don't have any issues. They produce great sound quality. You just need to take good, you just need to care relatively good care of them. But if you handle your gear well, then this will last very long, and it will be a good addition to your speaker lineup. Or if you're contemplating to buy a speaker, portable Bluetooth speaker, which you can carry down for your trips or adventure trips, or somewhere you're traveling and you don't want to have a big speaker, but at the same time you want to have big sound coming from a small speaker. So this is the way to go, my friends. Just do check it out. Hear it for yourself in any of the retail outlets of Chroma, Reliance Digital, or Bose Store, and then take a call. But I just wanted to share and give my opinion about this speaker and its sound quality. So hope you liked it. And if you liked it, just do like, share, and subscribe, and comment, of course. And do let me know if you want to see these kind of videos more. It really helps us and motivates the channel also. So thank you very much, and I see you next time.